What is a duty bearer in rights-based ethics? Imagine a world where everyone's rights are protected and respected. Who makes sure that happens? That's where duty bearers come in. In rights-based ethics, a duty bearer is anyone who has the moral or legal responsibility to respect, protect, and fulfill the rights of others. Think of them as the guardians of rights. They can be individuals, organizations, or institutions. For example, governments are often seen as the main duty bearers because they create laws and policies to safeguard citizens' rights. But duty bearers are not just governments. They can include social institutions like schools, hospitals, or even large companies that influence people's lives. The core idea is that rights are not just wishes or preferences. They are claims that others are obligated to honor. When someone holds a right, someone else has a duty to respect or make sure that right is upheld. For example, if you have the right to free speech, others, including the government, have the duty to allow you to express your opinions without censorship. Duty bearers have three main responsibilities. First, they must respect rights by not interfering with them. For example, not censoring or silencing free speech. Second, they must protect rights by stopping others from violating them, like preventing discrimination or harm. Third, they need to fulfill rights by taking positive steps. For instance, providing access to education or health care. In rights-based ethics, which is rooted in deontological theories, the focus is on duties and moral rules. Rights are seen as fundamental claims that generate obligations. This means duty bearers are morally required to act in ways that respect these rights. They are expected to be morally capable, which means understanding their responsibilities and being able to act on them. This moral capacity is essential for holding them accountable. The idea is that rights are not just needs but claims that demand action from duty bearers. This approach encourages transparency and accountability. It also emphasizes empowering vulnerable groups to claim their rights and hold duty bearers responsible. Whether it is a government, a corporation, or an individual, the duty bearer's role is to ensure that rights are not just theoretical but actively protected and fulfilled. So, in simple terms, a duty bearer is anyone who has a moral or legal obligation to make sure others' rights are respected, protected, and realized. They are the key players in making sure justice and human dignity are upheld in society.